Alright, so here we go. Someone else diagnosed this. Got a couple bad boards, and we need a replacement fan motor. So we're gonna take this guy out, put that guy in, install our new boards, and get this bad boy up and running. Alright. So, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Those boards. That fucking sucks. Gotta take all this shit out just to get there. Fuck you, Fujitsu. Alright, so this is the bullshit you have to do when you do HVAC. So I came here to change out 2 boards and a fan. This guy, which is on top of there, and that fan. To get that out, this is the ridiculous shit you deal with. But, you know, it is what it is. Part of the job. Dress warm, get it done. In order to get that out, I had to take the whole top off. I had to take every fucking plug off. I had to take all the screws off. Basically this entire unit apart, which before I put that new board in, I'm going to change the fan now, because now I have easier access to the wires back here to get this guy out. Because it's this wire, which goes all the way back there. But now I can actually get to it because everything's off. But yeah, so to be continued. Alright, so got the old fan motor out, old blade off. Now we're gonna get these screws out for the new guy. Put it on the bracket before I put the blade on, because it's going to be hard to get to these screws once the blade is on there, so do it first. One more. Okay. Now we're good. Okay. Pull that guy through like this. Old motor out of the way. This guy's gonna sit just like that. Huh? How are we doing this? Oh, like this. Well, the wire goes through. Feed that guy through. Oh, this shit is tons of fun. But yeah, so pretty much just putting this fucker here, and I'll see you guys back when I have this fucker in. Alright, got this new guy in there, somewhat enough to get it started at the very least. And what you'll tend to notice is everything that you need to do becomes a huge task. In order to get one thing done, you need to do 3 other things. Like when getting this board, to get the board out, you need to take 3 fucking tops off the unit. It's just like this fan, in order to get... Ooh, what's hitting? Oh, the wire. Okay, that's fine. We're going to be coiling that out of the way anyways. So just zip tie it right to the old one. This guy... might have to re-zip that. That's okay. Got 2 screws in here. Once this motor is in, the difficult part is out of the way. Because then, once I feed this wire back through into here, I'm done with that, and now I'm just gonna replace the board in my truck. That board, smaller board, goes right in there, and it should be pretty simple. Got a good couple hours to get this done. Alright, I just took the old small board out, Got this special grease that goes on the heat sink. I put that on, so that's all on the bottom of this. And just get these 2 screws in here, and then this guy will be good. And then can start working on the last board, which of course, you know, it's going to be the biggest bitch. Nothing's ever easy in this field, so you can kind of see that the heatsink grease paste, whatever the fuck you want to call it, is oozing out a little bit, which not a bad thing. You know, it doesn't really tell you how much to put on. The diagram just kind of shows a little swirl, but this whole pad was covered, so I just matched what was there. Simple as that. Manufacturer has it for a reason. So condenser fan is in, got my wire for it pulled through, new board is in. I think now it's time to clean up a little bit and get that last board changed out and ready. Alright, so now I'm trying to take this fucker out. And of course, nothing goes easy with the way they fucking make these. I gotta do all this very carefully because this board is staying. That noise didn't sound good. I'm about to just clip these fucking wires. Because honestly, what the fuck is that? What is that stupid ass design? Why don't you just fucking feed it through there? So stupid. You know what? New one comes with a new cord. Cut that fucking guy out of my way, because that was the fucking problem. And now this whole fucking bastard should slide right the fuck out. Except this cord's being a bitch too. Oh, and of course it's tied to something else. Love this, love this, love this. But yeah, this is the process. Slowly fucking with something one by one until you get it out. I mean, you don't know how to do something until you do it for the first time. And although I've changed out boards before, you know, every unit is different. So every process is different, and this one just happens to be one of the most fucking difficult. Well, see you when I got the new board in. Alright, back from lunch, up here, got the new board in here, this new guy right there, some more of that heat sink paste there, and a little bit under there, which you can't see where those bars go. Got pretty much everything plugged in for the most part, you know, ground, a lot of screws that hold it down. These couple guys go over here. That's pretty much it. Fans in, boards in. So now it's just neatening this guy up, turning it on, and see what happens. Alright, so now got the unit all buttoned up, cover on. This cover's off. I'll have to take those 2 screws out because I gotta switch them with those 2. These are for the panel. Not a big deal. But other than that, I think we're ready to go. this is on. Just like this. I didn't check if these are good. I hope these are fucking good. What's the voltage on this? 208, 230. Any lights? Anything? Oh, I hear clicking. That's a good thing. Clicking means it's trying to run. Alright. So now the next step should just be going in and turning these on, and you guys cannot come with me inside of the building. So I'll see you back out here when this is either running or not running. We're gonna find out. Alright. So, the final news on the unit. Replaced 2 boards. Replaced the condenser fan. Unit's obviously running right now. When I went inside, I had 100-degree discharge air. I would say this unit is operational. And now, end of my day is taking these 2 screws out, putting the other ones in, closing it up, and getting out of here. So this was another successful job. To be continued till the next one.